Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my video is about ETEA MCQs. Those students who are appearing for ETEA, either it's engineering or it's medical. So there I am discussing here physics MCQs. There are mainly three types of MCQs which occurs in ETEA in physics subject. The one is units are important. How unit you should learn by heart, you should derive how different units are calculated. You need to know all the equation, and you need to know which unit can be expressed as in another form. This was the first trick and the first hack. Secondly, you need to know all the equations. If we say E is equal to VBL, emotional EMF, that is E is equal to VBL. So it depends on velocity, we say velocity, B magnetic field, and length. We say escape velocity is 2gr. So it depends on gravity and radius. There are different equations. So first you need unit and dimension. Second, you need to know all the equation. And third, you need to know how if this quantity increase by this much, so how this quantity is affected. Like if we say that P is equal to mv, mass is double, so what would be the effect on momentum? If velocity is double, what will be the effect on momentum? If force is double, W is equal to Fs, what will be the effect on work done? So in today my video, I am sharing you some of the MCQs that are related to vector chapter. So be with me. There is a famous sign, there is a famous MCQs in which there is a fact basically, and the fact is whenever two forces are two vector, they are parallel, so their resultant will be maximum. And whenever two forces are anti-parallel, their resultant will be minimum. You can solve a lot of MCQs on this fact. The first fact is when two vectors are parallel, their resultant is maximum. And when two vectors are anti-parallel, their resultant is minimum. These are the two facts that is discussed in vector chapter. Like if I take there, this is A is equal to 2 centimeter and B is equal to 3 centimeter. So when vectors are added basically by head to tail rule. So we would take the tail, the head of this vector and tail of this vector. So this will be added like 2 and 3. So the resultant will become A plus B is equal to 5 centimeter. Whenever two vectors are added and they are parallel, so their resultant will be maximum. That is, the maximum answer of these two vectors can come 5 centimeter. And second, I have discussed, and when two vectors are anti-parallel, so their resultant will be minimum. Let's take that same example, but in this case we take the vector as anti-parallel. A is equal to 2 centimeter and B is equal to 3 centimeter. Now these two are anti-parallel. So how I will add? I will add same as I have added here by head to tail rule. I will draw this vector. This is the head of the first vector. So I will add the tail of the second vector with the head of the first vector. As these vectors are anti-parallel, so I will start from this point to here. This 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. So if this is 2 centimeter, so this would be minus 2, and the resultant here will come 1 centimeter. R is equal to 1 centimeter. So here we see that when the vectors are parallel, so their resultant is maximum. When vectors are anti-parallel, so their resultant is minimum. This often come in MCQs, like there would be an MCQs in this form. Here is A is equal to 3 centimeter and B is equal to 5 centimeter. These two vectors would be given and you would be asked that which result is not possible, which result is not possible. This often come in MCQs. So if I write here option 8 centimeter and this would occur 2 centimeter, and here we have, I can say 9 centimeter, and there would be 7 centimeter. So in this case, if we look, if the two vectors are parallel, the answer would be maximum. This is possible. If the two vectors are anti-parallel, the answer would be minimum. So this is also possible. But if we add the two vectors and they are parallel, so their resultant can't be increased from their addition, and if we subtract, their answer could not be less than the subtraction of those two vectors. So this is not possible. This one is also possible. So the correct option here would be C. Correct option is C. You may be asked different type of MCQs on this one. I will keep uploading MCQs for ETEA on my channel on a regular basis. This was just the start of the ETEA MCQs. I will try to cover maximum MCQs in my upcoming video. If you like this trick for your entities, so please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.